Welcome to PowerGen Europe 2017. An event like this provides us an excellent opportunity to discuss the latest technologies and developments in order to help our customers' businesses.
The industry is facing exciting times for gas engine development, as the boundaries of engine design are continued to be pushed more and more. All in effort of increasing the output, the engine efficiency and reducing costs. This in turn, as you can imagine, put higher demand on the engine lubrication and the product technology.
2017 marks 10th year's anniversary of ExxonMobil's attendance in PowerGen Europe, and we are delighted to be the gold sponsor for this event in the 25th years of anniversary of PowerGen Europe.
We are launching the new Mobil Pegasus 1100 series, designed to meet the latest gas engine developments. Inspired by major OEMs, the next generation of Pegasus 1100 series can help to extend the oil drain intervals by up to 1.5 times while maintaining engine protection and cleanliness. The new Mobil Pegasus 1100 series is supported with the technical expertise offered by our field engineering services, all of which is designed to offer our customers the most effective lubricant solution that will ultimately improve their profitability.
ExxonMobil has been providing gas engine oils to the world for the past 50 years, so we just celebrated our 50th.
Working collaboratively is successful, so we in GE will continue to work with ExxonMobil and with other leading oil manufacturers.
What a wonderful sight to see so many of you here at the 25th PowerGen and Renewable Energy World Europe, and here on the ExxonMobil booth celebrating this wonderful opening reception that we're doing.
I will wish you a very pleasant and informative afternoon. Do take advantage of the hospitality here. Have a most beneficial PowerGen conference and welcome. Thank you.